Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lakeview BBQ. I'm going to show you guys how to trim a rib properly, take off the silver skin, and remove any excess fat that you're not going to want. Alright, we're going to throw our rib right down right here. Cut off any excess. This flap, you're not going to want that flap. That's not going to do you any good. You want a uniform cooking surface. So you see all this right here where there's no bone? You want to trim that, square this up. Alrighty, save that meat. Do not throw that meat out. That meat is good, folks. The excess fat right here. You're going to want to trim that. Get rid of this flap. Alrighty, now it's time to remove the silver skin. So what I like to do is get underneath the bone here. Knife, gonna peel it up. Try to get as much of it off as you can in one foul swoop. Sometimes it's not that easy. Because I'm doing this for you guys today, it's probably gonna shred and I'll have to do this like 5 different times. So grab that. Or I could get lucky, it could come off. Oh, no, there we go. Oh, not coming off too bad. Oh, there we go, we lost it right there. Okay, come back and get that in a bit. Try to get off as much as you can. Alrighty. The silver skin, folks, is nobody's friend. This is tough, it's chewy, you don't want this. Miss some of it. Pop that up. Get your paper towel. There you go. There we go. See right here. Where it wasn't so friendly. The paper towel really helps you to grip. Get that skin right out of there. There we go. There, that's got. Yeah, I got it there. Okay, that looks pretty good. There we go. How's that side look? Okay. That bad boy is done. Oh, that's a big size meaty rib. Alright, on to the second one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is how I'm going to season up these ribs. First, I'm going to start with some mustard base. Some people use oil. I like mustard. I'm going to rub that down generously. My fingernails are going to be yellow for the next 2 days, but who cares? It's all about the ribs. It ain't about the fingernails. Alright, get that. And a generous coat of my homemade spice rub. Nice even coating through the whole rib. There we go. All right. Do the same on the next side. Nice generous amount of mustard. Rub that on there real good. And this helps with your spice rub sticking to the rib. There we go. Nice liberal amount. Oh, it's gonna be money. It smells so good already. All right, rib 1 done. Rib 2, repeat the process. We're gonna throw these bad boys on. Look at these, seasoned up to perfection. Got the grill just heating up the temperature, almost at 200. We're gonna start closing down vents once we get there. I'm gonna open her up. Oh, that smells so good. Got a little stuffed turkey here going on. Turkey roll. Oh my God. I just hope I can shut this thing. I'm gonna let that smoke for 2 hours. I'm gonna let my ribs go 2 hours. I don't do the 3-2-1 method. I'm gonna let that go for 2 hours. Look at that. Look how money this is. Look how money that is.
Does that work?
I don't know. I'm just kind of going by the skin of my teeth here. Do you use the maple?
Maple, cherry, and...
Oh, dude, money.
And
money.
a little bit of...
That's awesome.
Well, I used a cherry from here, a chunk of cherry from there.
All from the firewood reserves, pizza oven reserves. I like it. All right, now I'm going to close this lid. We're going to let that get up temperature, if it will close. Oh, dude. These ribs have been on for 2 hours smoking, nice and low, nice and slow. Let's see where we're at. Oh my goodness, look at that. You never know who's going to show up. We got a turkey roll right here. That's smoking too. Look at these ribs. Now I'm going to pull them off. I'm going to wrap them. I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, these ribs have been on for 2 hours. Now I'm taking them off. I'm going to wrap them. Throw them down, skin side down. All right, now throw some butter on here. Don't worry, that's gonna melt in nice and fine. Some butter on there. Some brown sugar. Well, this sieve did not seem to be working the way I wanted to. So, nice even go to brown sugar. Try not to make too much of a mess. It's going to make it nice and sticky ribs for us. Try to make a nice even coat, but there we go. Alright, now we wrap. Now let's put a little bit of Frank's if you like some Frank's. So good. Wrap these up nice and tight. Oh, grab too many sheets. There we go. That's all sealed. Oh, it's gonna be straight catch. The smell of this already is so good. The bark is looking beautiful. It's gonna be so tender and juicy, fall off the bone. All right, put that one aside. On to the next one. You can put apple juice on here. Apple juice is always good. This is gonna be just nice. The steam. Oh, it's gonna be so beautiful. It's gonna be so good. Like that, let these steam away for another hour, hour and a half. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are back at the Kamado. The ribs have been wrapped. The sun has just went down over the lake. And we're going to throw these bad boys right back on for about another hour, hour and a half. Back here, we got our ribs off. These bad boys have been tented for about an hour, hour and a half. We're going to take a look at these. Unwrap them. Oh, they smell so good. Ooh, that's hot. Open that bad boy up. Oh my goodness. Oh, hot, hot, hot. Oh wow. Oh my God. Whew. That is too hot. Throw the foil off. Try not to burn yourself. Oh my God, look how juicy that is. Look at this coming apart from the bone. Next one open. Oh my God, look at all that juice. Whew, smells so good. Smells so good. Put that juice back on there. That's all flavor right there, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Butter, the fat. Just money. That's just money. Oh, too hot to touch. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot. Oh my God, look at that juice. Look at that juice. That's crazy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you can baste your ribs with whatever you like, whatever your favorite sauce is. Your favorite barbecue sauce, doesn't matter. My wife likes this stuff. I'm not going to say the name. They're not paying me. My wife likes this stuff, so I'm going to start basting this. Just go right in the fat. Right in the fat, right in the butter, right in the sugar. Who cares? And just start basting. Mix that all in there with that butter and that juice. Oh my God. Just start basting. Wow. Look at the color of that. The smell is unbelievable. Oh, I wish you all could smell this. These ribs are straight cash. I already know they're going to be tender. Fall off the bones. Keep basting. The edges. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's insane. That's insane. Alrighty. Grab a fork. Try to flip that around. Oh my goodness, look at the bark on that. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's a thing of beauty. Flip this one. Look at all that juice underneath there. You guys see that? Look, can't even turn it around. Just turn it quick. Oh. Wow. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm excited about this. Going back on the barbecue for about another hour. Cheers. We got some ribs that we've been smoking for 250 for about 4 hours. Going back down on the grill for at least one more hour. Final ribs. Take a look at this. 1 hour sauced. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the char on there. That's just money. Straight cash, homie. Can't wait to try these out. Fall off the bone. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here at Lakeview Barbecue, we just finished up these ribs. Smelling amazing. We got some turkey roll stuffed. That's looking good. Let's see what everyone thinks of this stuff.
Oh, yeah.
That is amazing.
Oh. $25. Really that much?
All right, we're gonna cut some of these ribs up.
So smoky.
I love it. That would be delicious in a slicer. You just slice it down.
Pull it off. And then
Yeah, slice that down.
Think you gangster? Look at that! Oh my God!
Just hold on. I want that piece right.
All right. You take that piece. Let me know what you think.
Piece right there.
How is that action? All right, what is that?
It's better than subpar.
Well, I'd hope so. All right, Morelli, grab some. What do you think? Here, you want me to cut it? Just don't let me cut your fucking finger off. Here, I got some over here. More ribs.
That's a juicy fucking.
That's a juicy
You
bastard.
can't buy this.
No, you can't buy it. No. All right,
So
Stewie.
Here's what a restaurant is gonna be called.
Yeah, I said I want a little bit of bite.
Damn it.
How is it?
You can't buy this.
You can't buy it. All right, I'm gonna try one. Holy shit, that's hot. Oh my God. Yeah. That's money.